Hello, good day, viewers. Still on NECO 2024 Mathematics Examination Theory questions. Here is question number 8. And question number 8 reads, a cone has a radius of 10 cm and a slant height of 26 cm. We're asked to find the total surface area correct to 1 decimal place, the volume of the cone correct to 2 decimal places, and lastly, angle of the sector that form the cone correct to the nearest degree. Alright, let's get started. I have already constructed my cone here. You can see the cone here. The slanted height is 26 cm. The radius of the cone is 10 cm. The height is unknown, so we can find the height. Let me start by finding the height. You can see that this is a right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras rule to find the value of h. This is the hypotenuse. We can consider this one to be the adjacent and this to be the opposite. So we say that the opposite squared is equal to the hypotenuse squared minus the adjacent squared. H squared is equal to 26 squared is 676 minus 10 squared is 100. This is 576. And finally, we take square root of both sides. And square root of 576 is 24. And therefore the height of this cone is 24 cm. So let's start by finding the first one, which is the total surface area. Total surface area comprises of two parts. The bottom, which is a circle, that is pi r squared, plus then the curved surface, which is pi rl. Pi rl. You can see that we have pi r in common, so we can minimize the formula. Pi r outside, inside we have r plus l. So let us substitute. Remember, in Nigeria we commonly use 22 divided by 7 whenever the pi is not given from the question. So this is 22 divided by 7 multiplied by the radius, which is 10 cm, then multiplied by r, which is also radius, plus l, which is 26. That is the slanted height. This is equal to 22 times 10 is 220 divided by 7 multiplied by, this is 36, right? So we have 36 right here. And if you multiply 36 by 220, you shall obtain 7,920. 7,920 divided by 7. If you divide, you're going to obtain 1,131.4 cm squared. That is what? To 1 decimal place. We are done with the first one, and the second question here stated that we should find the volume to 2 decimal places. So what is volume? Volume of a cone is given as 1 divided by 3 multiplied by pi r squared h. This is equal to 1 divided by 3. Pi is 22 divided by 7. R is 10 squared. Then h is 24 according to this computation, right? You can see that it is 24. So let's evaluate. 1 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 100, because 10 squared is 100, then multiplied by 24. Altogether this will be 52,800. Then we divide by 3 multiplied by 7, which is 21. And if you divide this, you're going to get 2,514.28571 and so on. But this set in 2 decimal places, so this will be 2514.29 cm cubed. You can even write it here in 2 decimal places. All right, then the last question here, it stated that we should find the angle of the sector that form the cone. Number 3, if you are given a cone and you're asked to find the angle of the sector that form that cone, the angle theta is always equal to r, which is the radius of that cone, divided by the slant height, then multiply by 360 degrees. I think I'm going to record a video to explain how we derive this formula. It is very important. So theta is equal to the radius, which is 10, divided by the slanted height, which is 26, then multiply by 360 degrees. Remember, they said correct to the nearest degree. So if you multiply this, you have 3600 divided by 26. And if you divide, you have to get 138.46 and something else. But to the nearest degree, this is equal to 138 degrees. As simple as that. So we have answered question number 8 successfully. In our next tutorial, we are going to answer question number 9. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.